Stone Coat Epoxy is one of the most versatile mediums on the planet. Following these project steps and refinishing any surface in your home can bring you thousands as a return on investment. Do you have a remodeling project? Stone Coat Epoxy has a solution. From countertops to showers, tabletops, desktops, hearths, mantles, flooring, you name it, Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy has you covered. Did you know it took us years to master all these tips and techniques to remodel like a pro? In our videos, we teach you everything you need to know to remodel anything in your home, even RVs and boats. Any space that you want to make look like high-end natural stone, Stone Coat Epoxy can teach you how right now. One of our favorite comments is when our customers tell us, "I can't believe how easy my project was. I just followed your videos and I was able to remodel my windowsills, my shower, my sinks. I was able to remodel my floors that would have cost thousands of dollars." I love teaching everybody how to use Stone Coat Epoxy. I love creating techniques that mimic Mother Nature, that look like natural stone, whether it's quartz, soapstone, whether you want to create art with the best mediums in the world. We teamed with Artists Till Death. We went out to Dallas and we learned how to use our projects to create geodes and different looks that only an artist can create. I absolutely loved working with artists and contractors, plumbers, do-it-yourselfers, weekend warriors. We met Nate Morris of Boys to Men. He is a weekend warrior. He's a pro contractor and he wanted to learn how to do river tables. We had the pleasure of teaming up with Nate Morris and going to see Boys to Men live in living color. We had a blast working with Nate Morris and we found out he is a man of many talents. We created this for his dressing room in Las Vegas. Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy looks expensive, but your projects can be designed on a dime. Good job, Nate Morris. He definitely got this. Man, I love making this ocean table. You can actually transfer the art techniques that you learned from Artists Till Death and Mixed Media Girl. They love using our products, and I copied their videos to create my own ocean table. The American Builder, he's won 5 Emmy Awards and he's a contractor with massive knowledge and he loves Stone Coat Countertops. We went live at the World of Concrete in front of thousands of spectators and showed them how to do this and how easy it really was. We traveled the world. We went to Hawaii with Dr. Bob Martin. He has a radio show with thousands of listeners and he needed a project done and we got it done. If we can please them, we can please you. We even showed Dr. Bob and Gecko how to create art that looks like lava. I told you, this is a versatile product. It's durable, it's heat resistant, scratch resistant. There's zero VOC. This is designed for the do-it-yourselfer. The Mixed Media Girl, she has a massive following on YouTube and she is a master when it comes to creating art with these mediums. Check her out and she loves Stone Coat Epoxy. You should too. Guys, I teach you on my videos how to mimic granite, marble, soapstone, and all other looks of natural stone. I want to know, what do you want to learn how to make? Because Stone Coat can make it. My number one piece of advice is don't remodel anything until you learn about Stone Coat Epoxy. You will learn that you save thousands. We were on Designing Spaces on Lifetime. I loved working with them and they loved the outcome of that project. We do dentist office. This is a dentist office that we did because Dr. Nelson had been quoted way too high for his new and up-and-coming dentist office and we saved him thousands. Carl Jacobson, he's a world-class wood turner. He loves working with Stone Coat Epoxy to create his works of functional art. I love Carl Jacobson. You gotta check him out too. This is a white marble piece that we did and we refinished and it came out looking just like the customer wanted. Have you met Paul's Toolbox? He's a do-it-yourself genius. He has a YouTube channel that teaches you how to work with all of our mediums and more. Patrick Adair Designs is one of the world's best artists and he makes rings using Stone Coat Epoxy. Guys, this is our river table. I love creating river tables that glow, that change color. I teach you how on this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified. Every time we have a new video, you don't know what we're gonna create next. This stuff can make anything. Here's a hearth. We make rocks. We make windowsills. We turn this old cinder block house into an absolute beautiful home thanks to the durability, the versatility, and the cost savings with Stone Coat Epoxy. Remember, from Stone Coat Countertops, You got this. We'll see you on the next video.